In this video, I will show you how to change password on Gmail. So let's jump straight into it. Now, before we continue, I just want to make a note that when you do change your password, it's going to actually change your password for all of your Google linked accounts. So there's no way to actually change your password for just your Gmail account, as every Google service is attached to your Google account. So with that being said, what we're going to do first is once you're in your Gmail, you want to come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile icon. Then underneath your name, you're going to see an option to manage your Google account. What you want to do is give that a click to be taken to a screen like this. From here, what you want to do now is come across to this menu on the left hand side and click onto security. On this screen, you're going to see an option to change your password. It's going to be in this section about how you sign into Google. You can see here there's the password here. So what you want to do is go ahead and give that a click. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you to enter your password for security reasons. So this is going to be your current password. After you've entered your current password, it will take you to this screen where you can go ahead and choose a new password. So you just want to type that into here, confirm your password in the box underneath, just like so. And then what you can do is come down and click the blue change password button. Just to reiterate that this will change your password for all your linked accounts to Google. So this actually changes your Google account. It's not just for your Gmail, but it will also be for anything linked to Google. So for example, if you've got like a YouTube account or something like that, that's also going to be affected. So that is how to change password on Gmail. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.